Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and everybody is heading out this morning. Mama is going to school and the rest of the family is heading to the supermarket without me. Baby's home with the kids today, so instead of waiting on me to get home from school and then go to the supermarket, he's doing what I would do. Going to the supermarket with the kids on his own. And they're gonna do the supermarket haul without me, so that should be fun. I shall enjoy watching it when I get home later.
That means there will be only one winner.
Yes, so you're gonna tell me, you're gonna call me and tell me who win.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
So rock, paper, scissors later. Tyler definitely call me and tell me who win. Supermarket haul with the three of them. It should be fun. So hopefully you guys be nice with my babies until I get back, okay faves? Anyway,
More to us, you need to say that.
it's more to you, so be nice to Faves until I get back, okay?
Not to Faves, because Faves is the name of the thing, but
No, Faves is the name of the people watching. So I'm telling you to be nice to
if there's
them.
Auntie Elaine watching, it's not Elaine's name?
No, it's Faves. She's a fave. Once you watch our channel, they're a fave. Come say good morning to the faves.
Faves, it look like fives. I mean, there's 5 persons.
No, I said faves, not fives. Faves. Faves from the word favorites.
Faves.
Come up, come say good morning to faves, please.
Wagwan.
Sarah, say good morning to faves.
Wagwan.
Where are you going this morning?
Go to the supermarket.
No, Mama going to school. Sarah going to supermarket.
Well, she says supermarket.
Yeah, she said school supermarket. You going supermarket with Papa?
Yeah.
Yes, what you gonna buy?
Alright, bye, Mama.
What you gonna buy at supermarket?
You made the list? No.
I'm going to do it now.
Avocado.
Honey, come say good morning to the face before you tell me that I forget the fourth person.
Hi guys, I'm happy she introduced me to you. Yes, I'm a part of this crazy family. With a crazy boy, but he's the one that have more sense. Sometimes.
Who's the one that?
Just the morning, because the afternoon is when starting to...
I'm the one that will beat you up, rock, paper, scissors.
Yes.
And Papa,
Yes.
you remember last time when you had say, I'm sure I'm going to beat you this time when I beat you.
You better beat him later. Put on your shoes.
I'm gonna make sure to catch that,
Mama.
kick your ass, and Mama won't be there to save you after I kick your ass. You're
Mama,
gonna be in the corner crying.
Tell Papa
Mama,
he's gonna lose, right?
Mama,
Yes.
for now it make how many weeks in a row I win?
About 4. Papa haven't win in a long time. Or 5.
Papa only win the easy one, So Papa
You've
only
been
win.
kicking Papa butt.
Papa only win, Mama.
Put on your shoes and go brush your teeth,
every
Ty.
time. You can ask the
Ty,
Yes.
shoes and teeth, please.
the same thing to Mama. When is the last time she beat me?
Yeah, that's
Did you ever
right.
beat me in your life?
Well, I beat Ty. I beat Ty, I think 2 times.
Yes.
You beat the champion and you lose again.
I lose against the loser and beat the champion. Can you believe it? Anyway, guys, we're heading out right now. Make sure you subscribe to the Fam Bam if it's your first time. Catch and keep up with us. And I'll definitely see you guys when I get back. And I'll be excited to see all the things that they've done while I'm away.
Mama.
So, see you guys later. Sarah, see you later.
Later.
Sarah, see you later.
Later. But Mama.
Hey guys, we are back after 11. That's long, that's 2 hours supermarket, come back packing all of these things, and I am here with the two kids. Tyler, Sarah, come.
S'il vous plaît, je suis
Come. Make yourself ready. Sarah, Tyler,
Oui.
it's time for the
Supermarket haul. Why there's only me that's it?
It's time for the
Supermarket haul.
Yes, I like the motivation. Alright, we have a lot of bunch of stuff. I follow the list. I just add a little stuff on it. So let's see what is there. Sarah, what is that?
Chocolate milk for Sarah.
Chocolate milk for Sarah. Sarah gets a chocolate milk every day after nap.
This is for who?
Ooh, we have ramen. We have teriyaki chicken ramen.
It's for who?
It's for anybody that.
Well, it's not for me.
It's not for you?
No.
So it's gonna be for me.
It's noodles.
This is noodles. Who eat noodles?
This is noodles.
For who? Who eat that?
This is noodles for Mama.
Noodles for Mama. Okay. Alright.
What is this?
Here?
Macaroni.
Macaroni and
It's for who? Macaroni and cheese for macaroni for
Tyler and Sarah. Alright, we have chicken here. We have 1, 2 pack. Hey guys, the price of the chicken increased. I never really pay attention because long time I didn't go supermarket like pick up things. So I didn't really pay much attention, but the price of the chicken increased. So what we have here, we have somebody in the house that fall in love with this type of juice. It's called Twist Total. Well, I'm not advertising. It's a beer without alcohol, 0% alcohol, free alcohol, and this is mango and passion test. So this is good testing good, and
Sarah.
drink that
It's
around the
one
clock.
yogurt.
So
Yes,
that's cool. Alright, so what is that?
It's kiwi yogurt.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pure
It's
yogurt.
pear yogurt, no?
Alexa, shut up.
Alexa, stop. What is that, Sarah?
Zucchini.
No. What is that, Sarah?
Cucumber.
Right. If it's not one, it's the other one. You're right. What? You just said what?
It's ham.
Kiwi yogurt for
And
who?
Papa is bottom of kiwi.
It's chicken ham.
Ham is bottom.
What do you mean it's bottom? That's why you saw in Chuppy.
But
That's why I saw in Chuppy is a baby book. You think that the ham.
It's also for real.
Let's see if it's for real. I don't want to know where it's come from. We have cauliflower. We have
Ham come
cauliflower.
from key bottom.
Not only the only the bottom. It only can come from the bottom.
Well, I think also to use.
Okay, let's see. We have a cabbage. I got the cabbage. I got cauliflower. I think the winter is gonna come soon, and
It's wild.
it's gonna be soup time. So soup time. You like soup? You like soup?
Yeah.
You like soup?
I prefer raclette.
He prefer raclette. That's a ink. That's a wink to his mom, to his mother. I prefer raclette. Huh? You hear that, mother? I prefer raclette.
Who eat the yellow cheese and didn't let none for Mama this week?
She's a liar. She's a liar. I leave some. She eat it in front of me and she don't even remember that. But I eat most of it. I confess it. So I got 2 packs of cheese this time. So this is gonna be for everybody.
One for Mama and one for you.
What is that?
Carrot.
Carrot. Carrot for who? Who eat carrot?
Carrot
Carrot.
for green
It's a
beans.
rabbit. Rabbit eat carrot? Yeah. Tell me.
This is a baby tree.
Yes, it
So
looks
if
like
you
a baby
plant
tree.
that-
It looks like mama hair too, no?
Yes.
When mama hair when mama hair catch.
And it's like this.
Yes, it looks like mama hair.
Papa, but don't say this to Mama. And everything in the bag is left
Yeah,
over.
everything we already show is oil. We have 2 packs of oil. It was a deal, so we have 3 mac and cheese because 1 is not enough, and we have juice for the kids. So that's it. That was today. It's a lot of things, but it was cool. At least this is one thing done. So now it's time for some things important.
Papa, shoot!
Alright, rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
Papa gonna win this time, right?
No.
Say, let's go, Papa. Let's go,
Say,
Papa.
let's go, Tai Tai. Let's go, Tai Tai. Let's go, Sarah.
Yes, good job. Alright. I'm gonna kick your ass this time.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. 1-0. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2-2. 2-2. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah!
I told you.
I almost win this time. Look at him face. He's happy like. Alright, let's do the revenge right away, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1-0, Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, 2-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Let's stop the camera.
Revenge did nothing at all. Revenge did nothing at all.
Alright, guys.
Papa, moi je suis Katashila, toi t'es
Yeah.
gagnant.
You see this?
And Papa, the 5th week I win
That's the
versus
reason why I don't want him to win. Because when he lose, he don't take the victory well. But when he win, he make you sure that you hear that he's the winner. Oh, next time I get him. I fix him. I fix him next time. Alright guys, I'm gonna pack all of these things and yeah, gonna make lunch after that. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm back. I packed up everything and yeah, did all of these things. Now it's time for lunch because it's after 12. And yeah, I'm gonna change things. I'm gonna get this gnocchi. Oops, I don't want to advertise anything. I'm gonna do gnocchi for the kids. So find something that is already made. Just have to put it on the stove and yeah. In 5 minutes it should be ready. So I know Tyler like gnocchi. I don't know about Sarah. So yeah, let's find out. Yes, and here's the dinner for the family. We have some gnocchi and sausage. Gnocchi and sausage for the entire family. Good. You happy? You can eat everything? Bon appetit!
Hello, my favorite people. I know y'all miss me today, but I'm back. Your favorite girl is back. Your favorite is back. You miss me, don't you? I know you didn't miss me because you guys have your favorites. So I know you guys didn't miss me, but it's alright.
She's a substitute.
It's alright. I'll take it.
She's a off-bench player.
They benched me today. Anyway, you guys, I'm back. I'm in the kitchen. figuring out dinner. It's Friday and it feels good not to go to the supermarket. Babe juggled on his own. So of course you know it's Friday. So what we do on a Friday, eat what?
Crap.
Crap. Friday is called crap day. So we're having pizza, we're having names, we're having samosa. And a little bit of soup in there. So that's what's up. I'm having a headache. But that shall pass. That will pass soon. Hopefully you guys have a good day and my kids and my husband were nice to you guys.
We are always.
But you tell me in the comment section if they were nice to you. Let me know. Were you?
I have to tell you, she didn't watch yet anything, so she have no clue what happened. That we party, we went in club with the kids and all of this. You'll see that in the video.
We did not go to no party. We did not go to no club.
Well.
This boy.
Somebody already snitching.
I have to do things by myself without bringing him. It's something he tell me today that I'll tell you on the camera. Like,
Mama.
baby never said something in front of Tyler. I don't remember what it is.
Mama.
But you tell you something that I say?
Yeah.
Something bad?
Nothing
Yes, Sarah. They're eating rice.
It's done, the pizza is in because